Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome to Technopad. We are excited to announce launch of SAP project sessions just like real-time with full integrations across core SAP modules. This initiative is exclusively designed for Technopad students and we recommend all of you to utilize this opportunity for real-time understanding. In this program, all course completed students will work exactly like a real-time SAP implementation project. FICO, MM, SD and other consultants work together for end-to-end core configurations and testing. Additional consultants will work with ABAP consultants to work on rise of objects like reports, forms, enhancement, etc. Cross-module integrations will be implemented as per the industry standards. And the best part is, these project sessions are completely free for Technopad students. Finally, we strongly believe that training gives knowledge, project gives confidence. When your knowledge is strong and your confidence is real, right jobs will come automatically.